episode number 51 is very special কারণ আমাকে সবসময় বলা হয় আমি নাকি এই যে মেল জেন্ডারটাকে খুব নেগলেক্ট করি, যদিও আমাদের এখানে খুব ভালো ভালো কুর্তাজ আর ধুতিজ আছে অ্যাভেলেবল, মেন্স এথনিক ওয়্যার। সো ডোন্ট ফিল that we are not showing anything for you. So this episode is specially for my Sanskriti Srimans. So this is a special episode on kurtas, men's ethnic wear, dhotis and much more. So keep watching. Product number 1. These are pure cotton shirts, ethnic shirts, front and back fully printed. Little detailing of borders and collars are already given. Front pocket, front button, half sleeves. And this is product number 1, sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44. And this is priced 1350 rupees. 1350 all home wash with soft liquid detergent or with any good detergent. These are very comfortable and we have 4 sizes in this: 38, 40, 42 and 44. The details of the description is already provided, so you can have a look at the description provided below. Product number 2, 1550, full sleeve red and yellow printed, hand printed shirt. These are all vegetable prints. Again 3 sizes: 40, 42, 44, 38 also. So front open with pocket, full sleeve. These are standard sizes, these are all standard sizes. So you won't, so anybody who's wearing a 38 size of any good brand will also fit the 38 size of Sanskriti brand. So this is product number 2 in ethnic. These are all 100% pure cotton shirts. You can wear it over jeans, it will look very very smart, and also you can wear it with those Nehru jackets also. Front and back full sleeve, pure cotton, 38, 40, 42, 44, and price 1250 rupees. 1250, 1250. This is also full sleeve. Kalamkari printed cotton, half sleeve, printed kalamkari with front pocket, 38, 40, 42 and 44. These are all regular fit, not slim fit, regular fit shirts, and 1550 rupees. 1550, regular printed cotton shirt, regular fit, and in kalamkari 1550 rupees only. This is also vegetable dye, full sleeve, very sober, very comfortable for summer. Looks very smart with black jeans, black pants. This is a full sleeve. Full sleeve, back print, and this is priced 1450, 1450. Red vegetable print, regular wash, 38, 40, 42 and 44. Looks very smart with denims, even with linen pants, khaki pants. 1250 rupees. 1250. Ikat printed cotton shirt, full sleeve, back, 4 sizes: 38, 40, 42 and 44. And this is priced product number 7, 1250 rupees. 1250. Ideal for gifting fathers, husbands, brothers. Very smart shirts. These are pure cotton and very good quality. Back, deep maroon color. front. This is the detailing of the collar, printed collar with leaf printed body. The pocket will also have some printed difference. Here is the difference in the print. And product number 8, 1751 750. Product number 9, the one that this mannequin is wearing. It's an ikkat, it's a silk ikkat. Silk ikkat with side buttoned. You can keep this button open and this, this will flip over. That also gives a very smart look. It's in cotton silk with inner, it's got a lining there. And the kurta is 3,850 rupees. Just check the price in case I miss out the exact price. I think, yeah, I'll just check the price. It's the 3,800 rupees, sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44. This is a very smart side button kurta in ikkat, and you can take the dhoti separately. The dhoti is in katha stitch. It's fully in katha. Just see the beautiful katha work. Painting with katha. The brushing is done and then the katha work is done. 2,990 rupees. 2,990. These are not ready-made dhotis. You have to drape it. It's in pure cotton. 2,990 rupees dhoti. Okay. So now the product number 10. Art tussar. Very good quality semi tussar with digital kalamkari print in slate color. Digital kalamkari print in slate. This is the back part. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44. And the price is 3,250. 3,250. With this, you can take, we have these lovely, straight pants which has back elastic. So even if the sizes is plus minus, it will fit everybody. And basically we have of course sizes in this, like this is 38 and it's a straight pant. Nowadays these are very much in fashion. These are separately priced. You can take it along with the kurta or you can buy separately also with your existing kurtas also. 1,950 for the pant, and the this kurta price I've already told you, and all these fancy kurtas comes with a lining. Cotton lining is already attached with this. It's a very smart look kurta and very much in demand. This is in pure cotton with ajrak detailing. Pure cotton kurta. It's you can gift your parents for Poila Boishakh. It's a very, very comfortable fabric and it's a light color also. It's a nice pista color. The back will be like this. This is the back part. 4 sizes. This is the sleeves. And this is price rupees with little France 2,650. 2,650 rupees. With front slit, and with this I've just mix and matched with this dhoti. It can be bought separately, not necessarily you have to buy the dhoti along with the kurta, just for my mix and match concept. 2,350 cotton ajrak dhoti with hand block. Batik cotton kurta, bluish grey blue batik, and the body in blue khaki. Khadi cotton, pure cotton. This is the sleeves. Simple yet smart with coconut shell buttons. 4 sizes. And the price is 2,450. With this again you can buy this, you can mix and match with this navy pant. It's silk pant, navy silk pant, again with back elastic, front zip, It's this concept. It's a very smart concept, looks very nice after wearing. It fits almost everybody. 1380 rupees, 1380. Okay, this is another grey and ajrak combination. White and grey stripes, self stripe with ajrak detailing. Just see, it's very, very smart. All the kurtas you have to dry clean because these are patchwork is there, embroidery is there, silk products are there. So kurtas you have to dry clean the first 2 washes and then you can wash at home. This is the whole look. Very smart one. Front slit. Again with denims also this looks nice. 2350, 2350. So many of you have been sending me pictures of menswear album from Sanskriti Kolkata's Facebook page. We have a menswear album. So you have been sending me pictures, but most of them were sold out. So this is specially for those who are looking for men's kurta and dhotis. So this is another concept, another option for dhoti. In cotton gorod. The dhoti is in cotton gorod. On draping, this will look very nice because it may seem like as if, it's looking like a, 1850. The dhoti price is 1850. But we have male models draped in these dhotis and it will look very, very different on draping it. But these are not ready-made dhotis. Like this we sell lovely jackets also. This is a Jamewar kurta 2750, I think, 2750, product number 14. 2550, 2550 rupees. Jamewar kurta, with this you can just take a jacket which looks very, very nice. See, I've got teamed with this katha jacket in linen. Very smart look. It's a linen katha jacket, handwork. This is the jacket. Back will be plain in silk, the front in linen with pocket. 4 sizes, 38, 40, 42 and 44. And this is priced rupees 3250. The katha jacket is priced 3250. Again another Jamewar kurta in rich red, deep red, dual tone Jamewar 2750. The difference in price is due to the hand painted buttons. So these are very delicate, lovely buttons, hand painted buttons. So this is the kurta. With this we have 2 options of jackets. This is Pashmina jacket. Lovely printed Pashmina jacket in yellow. And this is priced 3300, 3300 rupees. I'll just hold it over this one. ₹3,300 the jacket, and the kurta is 2750. With this you can again wear this pink pashmina jacket also. Same price. Back. You can wear a black, a slate color, a grey color, white color. It will go with a lot of kurtas. Even with shirts, just wear a full sleeve or a half sleeve white shirt or a slate color navy blue shirt. These jacket goes very well with shirts also. These are pure tussar embroidered kurtas. 5,700 rupees all over work. The back part will be of course plain. This is the back part. The front part and the sleeves embroidery. 5,700 with lining, and price is 5,700, and the sizes are 38 to 44. Another in tussar in olive, all over work, The back part will be in pashmina, all with lining, 5,700, with katha dhoti, separately priced. Of course, you can opt out for the dhoti, but this is also very smart katha work with block print. Price rupees 2,990 rupees, 2,990 the dhoti, and the kurta is 5,700 rupees, 5,700 the olive kurta side button. Black tussar, also side button, very smart, all over embroidery. Full sleeve, very smart look, 38, 40, 42, 44, same price. All the tussar all over embroidery ones will be 5,700 rupees in pure desi tussar. Again, you can mix match with this maroon color bottom, or if you have an off-white or a black, you can of course wear it with that. This is just to show the colors that are available now. 1,480 rupees is the silk bottom. Okay, the product number 19 and 20 is the one that is behind me. This is in Chanderi, all over thread work. Just see how sober the color is, and it's a sherwani style. Front fully, this till this part it will be open, and the rest it's closed, and again front slit. And this is price rupees 4,350 rupees in a pale sky blue color. It's better I show you this way. You can see the embroidery, 38, 40, 42 and 44 with lining. The back will be plain silk. The front will be like this. Just wear it with a white pajama. It looks so stunning. Very smart. Even during the summer formal day wear also, it's a very nice kurta. So this is in Chanderi, 4350, 4 sizes. The same thing, we have this in a different cut, side button in olive. This is also a very smart look, very smart color. Same price. Back 38, 40, 42, 44, and as the product number 20, 4350. So these are the silk Chanderi thread work chicken works that we have. Smart look kurtas. So okay, so product number 21, silk Chanderi again, with all over thread work in light military green, very unique shade, very lovely shade of green. This is the actual color. You can see the back part, all over work. You see the beautiful embroidery. And this is price rupees 4,650, I think 4,650, right? This is 4,650 rupees. Of course, you can wear it with a milk white churidar or a white pant, or with white dhoti, and of course with black also. Black tussar, 5,700. Black tussar kurta, very smart look. You of course with this also you can wear a black bottom or a chiku color, tussar color bottom. 5,700 rupees, pure tussar, desi tussar with all over work in the front. Now silk katha kurta, it's in silver grey color. The upper part will have katha work. Sleeves will have the katha work. The back part will be very smart, plain silver grey color in silk, and this is the look. Very smart. You just check out our menswear collection album in Facebook page, where you can see models wearing these kind of stuffs, and then you can understand how the look will be, and you can message in the number provided. This is the dhoti that I've cotton gorod dhoti in katha, the katha work dhoti. It will be like this only, you know, when you wear it, it will have this kind of a look in the front and all. 2,990 rupees, I think the price is. 2990, Katha dhoti, and this is the kurta. Katha again in Jamewar, ivory color with black and white work. Just see the embroidery, it's fully hand work. And I'm sure you can understand the Jamewar weave of the kurta. It's a very beautiful woven. This is a beautiful weave in Jamewar. The back one will also be in Jamewar. The back part is also in Jamewar. This is the kurta. And the price is product number 24. The price is 4,500 rupees. With this, we've mixed with a cotton block printed dhoti in pure cotton. This is the dhoti that we've thought would go very well with this. So once you are here in, if you are here in Kolkata, you can just come over to the branch. The Cornfield Road branch is the only branch where we have these kind of menswear. Menswear is not available in Jamil Lane branch. It's only there in Cornfield Road branch. So you can drape the dhoti and the kurta, and then you can mix and match and you select also. 1650 is the block printed cotton dhoti. This is also in silk chanderi. All over work in white, off-white color. Very smart, sober thread work. So you see, we've shown you from 2600, 25, 2300 range to 5700 maximum range also. So that's the more or less the maximum range that we keep as of now, because it's very new. This is only 3 years we've started the men's section, and 3-4 years around, and we've got a good response. So hope you will like the products. 4,990 rupees. This is the kurta, and you can take this ikat jacket with this. This is a very smart looking ikat jacket. I think it's going very well with this. So of course this can be worn separately, and this with any shirt also. Very smart. The back part will also be in ikat. These are all woven ikats with pocket. This is the inner lining. 3350, 3,350 rupees is the jacket price. Again, the sizes are available. Egyptian cotton silk with all over thread work in very unique shade of mustard. All over work. The back will be plain. The front will be with fully work. Price 4,800 rupees. 4800. With this, I've picked up this jacket. Sorry. This is the jacket that I thought would go with this. Very smart look jacket, digital print, and of course you can wear it with shirts also, or with a solid tussar colored kurta, and with this jacket. Very smart, because the jacket itself has a Mughal print. It's a very smart looking jacket in silk, and the jacket price is 3,750 rupees. So like jackets, we have more jackets. Product number 27, 3,900 in Ajrak modal silk. Fully Ajrak jackets. Very smart with denim. See, against white it is looking so nice. Even with black it will look very smart. So this is the jacket, the back part. The price already told you. I'll show you another jacket in Kalamkari silk, modal silk. Kalamkari digital printed jacket. Just take the screenshot of the product along with the description where the number is showing and send it in WhatsApp. Once I confirm you the booking, availability of the product, only then I'll give you the bank details. Once the payment is dropped, we'll courier it. Cash on delivery only possible in Kolkata. 3,600 rupees, 38, 40, 42 and 44 in Kalamkari silk jacket. This is also a very smart one, patchwork jacket in multicolored Dabu print, indigo Dabu, very smart one. You know, if you're you have to wear it with solid color or solid color shirt. So then the print will stand out. A very smart look jacket, and this is price rupees 3,250 rupees, 3,250. And this is the last product, linen embroidery with vegetable dye patchwork. The collar and the sleeves will have veg dye block, and the body in fudge color, light chocolate color, light fudge color, throughout chicken work with little sequins highlight with lining, and the price is rupees 3,900, 3,800. 3,800 is the price, and with this you can check out this block printed lovely dhoti, also in ajrak patch with, this is the dhoti. 2,350 rupees I think the price is, and this is the kurta. Very smart look. So please leave a comment, because this is the first time I'm doing the 51st episode is the first time I'm showing menswear. So if you like the products, please like, share and subscribe and comment. And just before I end the video, so this is the batik kurta that I'm wearing, the batik top. It's a very smart looking batik top with self weave and little very tiny sequins there. 2,500. The kurta price is 2,500. You can wear it with jeans and all, and like the skirt that I'm wearing also. I have 3 colors in this. You can have an option of 3 colors. Very smart look and extremely soft, very soft with jeans. So it will just cover your hip. It will just above your hip. It will be mid hip length. A very smart one, front and back, fully in batik. This is another style. Sizes till 48. You will get 4 sizes from 38 to 38, 40, 40 to 44. Yeah, till 48 you will give. So many sizes you are getting. So this is another in olive. Very smutty. This color is also going very well with the mirror work skirt. So these are the 3 options that you'll get in top for like the one that I'm wearing, and this is the mirror work top, front and back, fully with work. 3,500 rupees is the skirt price with embroidery. I'll just check out the price. You just check out, I think it's 3,500 rupees. Yeah, the price is 3,500, all over mirror work, pure cotton, embroidered skirt. You'll get waist from 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. So this is the sizes, and since these are with cord, it's a you can adjust, you can tighten it, you can loosen it, so it will fit everybody. So that's it. Thank you so much. Keep watching for the next video.